Once again, welcome children. So children, here I am going to explain questions of tables and chairs, and these are extra questions. Okay, let's start. So look here, what is the question written over here? You too can make your own garden. Draw a garden showing flower beds with 2 plants. Each row should have the same number of plants. Very important thing that you have to note here. Each row should have the same number of plants. सभी rows में same number of plants होने चाहिए. Each flower bed has a different arrangements. और जितने भी flower bed होंगे सब में different arrangement होना चाहिए. So children, here I have written the answer. You can see here. First I have written rows and then plants. So because we have to draw a garden showing flower beds with 2 plants. So first what I have written here, I have written 2, then equals 1 times 2 equals 2. Okay, so there is one row with 2 plants. It means here you can see how many rows, only one row, and in one row we have 2 plants. Okay, we have planted 2 plants in one row. Okay, next is what I have done here. I have again written rows and plants, and here I have interchanged the digits. So you can see here I have written 2 over here and here 1. So 2 times 1 equals how much? 2 times 1 equals 2. So there is 2 rows with 1 plant each. So here you can see 1 row, next one 2 row, and in each row we have 1 plant. Okay, moving to the next page. Same like that, here you too can make your own garden. Draw a garden showing flower beds with 4 plants. How many plants? 4 plants. Each row should have the same number of plants. Very important point, same number of plants. सभी rows में same number of plants होना चाहिए. Each flower bed has a different arrangement. So look here children. So first step, write rows and then plants. Okay, at the top. Now here I have written the number of plants that for which we have to draw a garden. Now here 1 times 4 equals 4. So here you can see this one row, and here 4 plants. Okay, so there is one row with 4 plants. This one is your one row with 4 plants. Okay, next number, here I have written 2 times 2 means 2 rows with 2 plants each. So here you can see one row is this and 2 row is this. So 2 rows with 2 plants each. In each row we have 2 plants. Okay, now next you can see here what I have written, rows and plants. Now here I have written the number of plants that we have to, for which we have to draw a garden, and here you can see 4 times 1. I have interchanged the digit. This I have written now in rows column, and this I have written in plants column. So you can see here 4 times 1 equals how much? It is equal to 4. Okay, so you can see here number of rows 1 2 3 and then 4. So there is 4 rows with 1 plant each. Okay, so in this way you have to arrange the plants, and each flower bed has a different arrangement. Okay, moving to the next page. Now look here children, you too can make your own garden. Draw a garden showing flower beds with 8 plants. Each row should have the same number of plants, and each flower bed has a different arrangement. Okay, so here I have written the answer. Please go through this. Moving to the next page. Now look here children, here draw a garden showing flower bed with 18 plants. Each row should have the same number of plants. Okay, each flower bed has a different arrangement. So you can see here this question you have already done in this is your first question of tables and chairs chapter. So you can see here, see how I planted 18 plants in each flower bed. So here I have written the different arrangements. Okay, so go through this. With this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.